Hello there, this is the little stairway that I got as I was driving into work. That, as you see, this is a dead bird. I'm driving down the street. I was doing about, let's say I was doing about a good 50 miles per hour. I hit the gas so I could go a little bit faster, and he flew straight in front of my car. I thought he made it through, but as you see, he didn't make it. I ended up hitting him. Man, I hit the shit out of him too. Like, this cat is completely destroyed. Like, his leg looks like it's in his beak. So I'm going to drive home now. Hopefully he might come off. If not, I'm just going to, get some gloves and I'm just going to take him off. I mean, this is literally the funniest thing that ever happened to me on the way to work. Fucked up for the bird though. Really, really fucked up. Well, see you later.